Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I am just going to be vlogging. This is going to be a 4th of July weekend vlog, so I'm starting today, and then I'm also going to be vlogging tomorrow on the 4th. Today's Friday, July 3rd, and then on Sunday, the 5th, because we are doing stuff all 3 days for the 4th related holiday. That didn't make sense. We're doing stuff all 3 days for the 4th. So I got my little AST with the flag on it. It says 1899 because that was our founding year. And I just finished doing some edits, and today I'm going to be making a bunch of desserts and stuff for the 4th. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I don't have much else to tell you right now. I'm going to go to Peebles today. They're going out of business in my town, so they got some pretty good deals for this weekend, so I'm gonna go do that and get some stuff. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're doing the 4th of July weekend vlog. I hope you guys enjoy seeing what I'm doing, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm just gonna stop talking. So I just entered the clip of the sale sign, but whenever I went to Peebles, I got these storage bins, so those are cool. I'm gonna do a whole like separate haul video for this vlog. I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that we got. My mom got blankets for our, I don't know where she put them, for our couches, because our dogs have, well, her dog has chewed. So we got like these for whenever she's done with her chewing phase. We got more than just the couple because they were like $8. And then all of their beauty stuff was half off, so I got the Balm makeup, and we got some pillowcases, and I got some writing pads and that sort of thing. So we also got a new toy for Pepper, but yeah, that's what we got. My mom didn't let the dog down, which she said she was going to before she left. Oh, she did. She's just laying here on the couch say hi, Pepperoni. Hi. That's the Pepperoni. She's the one that chews everything. And this is Kissy, the good old bean. She's 9. She's been my dog. She just loves me. Yes, she does. But as you can see, we need new blankets on our couches and stuff because Pepper's a chewer. She is. That's just the facts. But right now, I'm trying to get someone to write this story for the paper because I don't have it in me to write it, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to make desserts for tomorrow. So the first dessert I'm going to be making today are these s'mores bars. They're not keto friendly, so if you're on the keto diet, not for you, but my friends love these and I make them every year, so I'm going to make them. And then I'm also going to make keto brownies with this mix, and then I'm going to also make a keto strawberry and blueberry cake for the 4th. So keto options and non-keto options for my friends who love these s'mores bars and can't get enough of them. while the s'more bars are in the oven, I have to bend down here because I'm filming this on my iPad because I have a recipe up on my phone. I'm going to make these keto until I'm going to mix them up. Brownies, so what you need is 1.5 sticks of butter mountain and then 3 eggs beaten, and you just add it into this. I'm going to do it in a bowl, so I'll show you guys that once it's all mixed up. So for the brownies, which are in this pan, make sure you grease your pans. I didn't say that with the s'mores, but make sure you grease your pans, that way the stuff comes out of it. I use cooking spray, you can use butter, whatever you want. But these brownies go in the oven at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. I'm going to be making one more dessert, but I'm going to have a separate video on it that I'm going to upload the day after I upload this vlog. So if you want to see how to make it, I guess go watch that video. I'll probably put a clip in of what it looks like when it's done. Hey guys, what's up? Happy 4th of July. It is the 4th. Today, I didn't really film much yesterday just besides me baking because that's all I really did that was like 4th related, but I'm about to eat my muffins. I'm having to do everything in my room that I want to film because since it's a holiday, my stepdad didn't go to work and he's in the living room right now, and I swear that the TV volume must be on like 50 or 60 because I can hear everything that it's saying in my room, but it's fine. I'm going to eat breakfast and probably just chill until like later today, and then I'm going to get ready, so I'll see you guys when I'm getting ready. So I just straightened my hair and now a little lunch. Yeah, that's what's going on. I'm not going to my dad's house until 6, so I probably won't start getting like ready till like 5. But yeah, that's what's up. Hey guys, so it's like 5:30 now. I just finished my makeup. Look at how cute it looks. But now I'm going to get dressed and I will show you guys the fit for tonight. It's a so this is the fit. The shorts have like a little red, white, and blue detail. I got a white top on. I put this white bandana around my hair, mainly because it's been disastrous. And then I have my white Converse on, and I got this blue starred sock and this red striped sock. So this is what we're looking at.
You're gonna count all the way to 60.
It's the dagger which I see before.
Oh my God.
Handle toward my
Jesus
hand.
Christ.
Let me clutch thee. I have thee not, and yet I see thee still. Art thou not fatal?
It's the dagger speech from Macbeth.
Or art thou but a dagger of the
fearless.
mind? A false
Look at how he's holding that.
for the heat of
I have to be burning him.
I see thee still in form as palpable as this which now I draw, and on thy blade are dudgeon gouts of blood, which was not so before. 'Tis no such
This is where I
thing.
get my theater
'Tis
skills
faulty
from.
vision which is
I didn't even read Macbeth when I needed to.
Hey guys, it is Sunday, July 5th. I'm going to a family friend's picnic today. I'm sorry I did not film more last night, but I was really just trying to live in the moment. I do have a video of my dad drunkenly doing the dagger speech from Macbeth with a sparkler in his hand. Probably will insert some clips of fireworks, maybe like pictures and boomerangs, I don't know yet. But I'll insert some stuff just so that like you guys can kind of see like what happened. But yeah, I just really was trying to enjoy the time with the people from my hometown that I really don't spend a lot of time with because of being at college and whatnot. But I don't know if this will be my last 4th of July at home or not, because next summer I'm going to try to have an internship in New York, which means I probably won't come home to Pennsylvania very often, if at all. But hopefully I'll be able to come home for the 4th, because it's like the biggest holiday in my town and it's so much fun. I literally live in the middle of like redneck Pennsylvania, so the 4th is always go big or go home. But yeah, I'll insert some pictures and stuff so that you guys can see how it. This is me realizing I never ended the vlog for the 4th of July, but yeah, that was my 4th of July weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did and you want to see more vlogs, make sure you give this a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. As always, all my social media will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.